Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin at an SBI ATM with your debit card and PIN in hand. This is essential because the machine links the update to your card. Insert the card, select your language, and enter the PIN. Once done, choose the menu for services or other services right away. This opens the mobile registration option you need. Make sure you have the new number ready to type exactly, since you will confirm it twice to avoid typos and ensure the bank can message you. You now select mobile number registration or change from the services list. This is the middle step that writes the new data to your account. When prompted, type the new 10-digit number, then retype it when asked to confirm. This prevents entry mistakes. After submitting, the ATM typically initiates an OTP or verification prompt sent to the new number or displays a confirmation screen. Follow that prompt to approve the change. Make sure you read each screen. Some ATMs require final confirmation before updating. Once the machine confirms, collect the receipt or note the reference number so you have proof of the update. You should receive SMS alerts to the new number or see the change reflected in net banking or an updated passbook entry. Check these within 24 hours. If the update fails, do not retry repeatedly at ATMs. Instead, go to your home branch with your ID, passbook, and debit card to complete the update in person. This resolves OTP or verification issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.